Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your PureGym membership. Okay, so first of all, when you want to cancel your membership, you need to keep this thing in your mind, like these are the some rules. These are, you can say, this is the policy of cancellation. Okay, the easiest way to cancel your membership is through via online. Okay, and you can cancel your membership at least 4 working days before your next payment. Okay, so once your payment is done, you are not able to cancel your membership. It can cancel only, you guess, like before your next payment date. Okay, so basically you can cancel your membership uh, if you don't want to, you can like if you don't want to pay any other fees, you need to cancel your membership at least 4 working days before next payment date. Okay, now let's talk about how to cancel. So basically you need to visit on this link http://members.puregym.com, freeze or cancel. You need to type this link, or I will provide you this link in our video description box. Once you visit on this link, you will redirect on this kind of page. This is the official page. In this page you need to provide your email ID, you need to provide your PIN, and you can log in into your account. And once you logged in, you need to select manage on the gym pass, and you can freeze or you can cancel your membership by following the instruction. Okay, and there is one more way by which you can cancel your membership, that is termination of membership by cancelling your payment agreement through your bank. Okay, this need to be done at least 4 working days before your next payment. Okay, so basically these are the methods by which you can cancel your PureGym membership. Now if you are facing any issue, you can also contact your home branch or home club, then they will also guide you. You can directly visit your you can say like branch or club, then they will also guide you how you can cancel. Okay, so these are the methods by which you can cancel your membership. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and the link is in our video description box. You can visit. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.